So we're getting ready to go to warmer climates. Gonna do a little bit of a walkabout, a little bit of nomad travel. We'll take you along. Are you ready?
I was.
This route avoids crashes on I-70 East. You are on the fastest route. You will arrive at 12:06 a.m.
Everybody started talking about ice storms. I gotta get out of here. I gotta get out of here.
So there was some weather in St. Louis, but roads, according to MoDOT, are mostly clear, partly covered, as they say. And traffic seems to be moving, so we are going to just keep driving east. We do have a reservation in Lexington, Kentucky, but might be able to cancel that if we need to and keep driving, because they're supposed to get some weather in Lexington potentially tonight, so who knows, we might just keep going until we know we're going to be out of the weather. Welcome to Knoxville. It's rainy. We're downtown by Market Street. We're gonna take a few shots, take you along.